Lakey, it's Diego Prime here, and I'm back again with another video. So today is an exciting day because I just got some new merch from WWE shop, and you just get it right here. And I have 1, 2, and 3 items from WWE shop, and I decided to do an unboxing for you guys. So let's unwrap these. The first t-shirt or the first item that I got is the Cody Rhodes shirt, and I really like this shirt so much. I'm really excited to get this. Here you go. So here is the Cody Rhodes t-shirt, and it says undeniable, undesirable, and uncrowned. So here it is. It's just, it has only the front design and it's just plain at the back. Okay, so next item is a vintage shirt from a legendary late superstar, and I'm excited to have this one. And I dreamed to have this shirt since I was a little boy. Well, it came out during the 90s, and it is the Razor Ramon shirt. Hey yo, that's like he always says. And as you can see, Razor Ramon the front, and you can see his face right here, and it says oozing machismo. At the back, it's just plain white. Originally, it has the same design at the back, but instead they put just plain white. Okay, so this is Razor Ramon. And last but not the least, I was excited to get this one because he is my all-time favorite WWE superstar. And here it is, and it is John Cena, and it is the G.I. Joe inspired design of the t-shirt. And here is hustle, loyalty, respect, you can't see me, and the 16-time world champion John Cena. And at the back, it is a unique design right here. So as you can see, there is like an evolution of John Cena from the beginning, you know, as the prototype, and his presence of right there wearing the necktie, you know, the suit and tie. And right here is some, you know, information right here. So let me just take a closer look. There you go. And that's all for the t-shirts unboxing. And you know, I'm very happy that I have them all. And as usual, guys, like this video if you like it, comment, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Diego Prime, and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified on my next videos. So there you have it, guys. This is an unboxing video. This is Diego Prime, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.